Alright, welcome to the channel. We are currently sitting in room number 124 of Cluster Innovation Center. If you are a BTech student who would join this time in this year at CIC, then you would be sitting in this classroom for your classes. And in this video, we are not talking about the BTech program, but the BA program, formerly known as BTech Humanities, devised by Professor Dinesh Singh, one of its kind. And for that discussion, I have with me Omansh, and we have also studied together in some courses, for example, forensic
Yeah,
chemistry. It was
should I
fun.
introduce myself?
Yeah, sure.
Hi, people. I'm Omansh. I'm right now pursuing humanities and social sciences from Cluster Innovation Center only, and I'm in my first year only. I will be coming to second year when you'll be coming here.
You'll be a senior. Now, this program is a special BA program because it follows the meta college concept and the
Yeah.
concept of design your own degree. So, tell us about it in general first.
Okay. Yeah. So this course is a very, as Abhitath already said, it's a very design your own degree course. So what happens is the first, fourth, and last semester we spend in CIC only studying the courses and the papers offered by CIC only. But for the rest of the semesters, second, third, and fifth semester, we go to other colleges.
And now
Often
that it's a 4 year course, we will have maybe one more semester in
the
CIC.
thing is, last year ka we don't really have much idea because we don't really have anybody before here, man. So we're
Okay.
not sure if
Even the design your own degree part has to be designed for the 4th year.
yeah. So fourth year का भी we don't have much idea, but जो बाकी सारे 3 साल हैं उसका I'm telling, like, yeah, second, third, and fifth semester will go out. You will choose your own paper. Suppose not suppose. I mean, I had philosophy paper the second semester from Hindu college, so yeah, so I opted for philosophy this semester. I would opt for sociology for the upcoming semester. This you also have to choose between the streams in the humanities. So you have psychology, counseling, journalism, and which is media and mass communication, and heritage tourism. So you have to choose, like, among these three options, these three streams. So whatever you choose, you study stream के papers like GE or DSE that you'll be studying stream के, and उस stream के mentor will be your mentor, like, in the whole journey of CIC humanities का 3 साल के लिए.
And when you graduate, you will have an honors in the stream which you have chosen.
Yeah, many people think that we have program degree.
No,
It's not a
it's not.
program degree. It's a honors degree, and we have. That's why I think they chose a very umbrella term, very a rainbow term, like जिसमें सब कुछ cover हो जाए. So they chose humanities and social sciences. You can call it liberal arts as well, but liberal arts में every semester you study different subject के papers. Here you study एक subject के papers, like एक उसमें semester में. So yeah, so that's why they chose humanities and social sciences. You study pol science, philosophy, sociology, anything, you'll get humanities and social sciences ka degree.
And which are the courses which are offered at CIC?
Oh, they're actually very different. So in first semester we will study as well technology and society by Salim sir, um, counseling by Glory ma'am.
Glory ma'am.
उसके बाद journalism by, okay, sorry, these are तो our general elective के papers. जो हमारे main core papers हैं, core papers में there are humanities, social sciences, scopes, and something something. Then you have technology and society. It's a very good paper. Like शुरू में आगे तो you'll feel like कैसा rubbish सा paper है, but it really makes sense by the end of the semester. And you have qualitative and quantitative social inquiry, which is research methodology only, and it's a very brilliant and very important paper. I would have searched already ki, what was I going to say? I got zoned out. Yeah, research thing. So we pursue research, like semester long research, semester long projects we take from third semester, fourth semester. I think it happens in BTech as well. No? BTech we have to take semester long
Like in
projects.
BTech, either we take an internship or we go for a semester long project,
Oh, okay.
or we can also have a research internship. And yeah, we need to use the opportunities properly. Otherwise, it's a loss coming at
Okay,
CIC.
okay. Yeah, so we take semester long projects from third semester, third, fourth, fifth, sixth semester, you take semester long projects. So, उस project के लिए भी the mentor that you choose, I mean the stream that you choose, उसके mentor will be your mentor. So, yeah.
And like relevant to the papers which you're studying in that semester, you pick up a problem from the society and try
Yeah.
to provide solutions.
Yeah, CIC, okay, CIC is a very interesting thing. It's a very interesting institution because let me put it very clear. Like when you come to university, you come with many hopes that oh ye hoga, and when you come to Delhi University, you come with bahut sare hopes. Like even if you get Hindu college or let's say Stephens, you come with itna idealistic hopes कि when you come ऐसा अचानक से and फिर you like stay there for a week, so you might feel, because I have met people of Hindu college, they're like first week was like very much traumatizing, मतलब उनको they felt like बहुत disappointed हो गए थे वो. So वो होगा ठीक है, but when you come to these colleges you feel like these colleges will spoon feed you, you'll learn, these colleges will make you learn things and like ये आपको opportunities देंगे. But CIC is a place जहाँ पे you realize कि you will have to work yourself. Like if you have to find opportunities, you will have to work yourself. This college or this institution or this university as a whole is not going to provide or is not going to spoon feed you. University of Delhi is very good. I mean, as much as I bitch about University of Delhi, Delhi University is so good because it provides you that exposure. It provides you that ambient, that competitive environment where you feel like you see different people around you doing so many great things, and when you come to CIC, you feel like, because you don't really, when you go to different colleges, you see different people doing many things, and jitna networking to of course is a thing, but this competitive thing that you feel inside, it's very very good.
And also, other than the networking aspect, Delhi has so many colleges, so many events.
Yeah.
Even if we just travel to a different college during some event which is happening,
Yeah.
it's a good feeling.
And when you'll meet as a randomly low. Like I still remember I went to Stephens for this sign language workshop, and like I was just bored. I just went there and then I met these two girls like who were like beside me, and I don't know, हमारे से अचानक से बात हुआ, and now we are like very very good friends. And Stephens में I know these two people only. And ऐसे you'll go to different colleges and you'll meet randomly ऐसा दो तीन लोग, and maybe you find a best friend there.
And like people like Ankur Warikoo and Shah Rukh Khan even found their life partners. So even
Oh yes.
even that's a possibility if God wills it that way.
Yeah.
Okay, so where do you enjoy more, while in CIC or while in a cluster college?
Okay, that's a very good question. So, CIC life. So when you come like first semester में, as soon as you enter, like calculate it. Okay, first semester, first semester, fourth semester, sixth semester. Only these students, like इस semester में ही you stay in CIC. So when you come in first semester, you have no other batches के people coming to like CIC, like to study, because first and fourth and sixth semester, the fourth sixth semester दोनों are spring वाले semester, and autumn के semesters में we just have हमारा semester. So you don't really see people when you come to CIC. You feel like ये कौन सी haunted place पे आ गए. So first semester might go very boring for you. So first semester मेरा बहुत ही monotonous आ गया था, बहुत ही ऐसा कि मैं किधर आ गया. But as soon as you, okay, yeah, so I think I'm somewhat giving my answer. Second semester में when I went to Hindu college, I met so many people. I met so much like diversity वाले लोग. But of course this comes with a bad thing, like जितना ज़्यादा diversity उतना ज़्यादा you find your conflict वाले people, who you hate. So it's a very mix of experience. मेरा second semester was very much ooh.
Okay, now let's talk about the CUVT aspect of this course. What is the configuration which you require if you want to take admission in this one?
You need to have English plus 3 subjects any subjects, not language वाला, list B होता है, I think list B के जो subjects होते हैं, it have 3 दो subjects and 4 हो गए ना, हाँ, English plus 3 subjects,
So out of 800,
या जैसे बाकी colleges का होता है वैसा ही होता है,
like for arts courses बाकी colleges में जो
सेम है,
होता
वहाँ पे
है
भी
सेम है। और आपका कितना स्कोर था पिछले बार CUET में?
OMG मेरा था I don't know, it was 620 something.
And what is the cutoff as per your knowledge for this particular course?
So I तो had a reservation, I तो had EWS reservation, but जो जिनका like UR पे अगर हम फोकस है तो UR पे I think it went 690, yeah, around 690, because spot on या शायद third cut off list में we had a girl and she had like 690 I think.
मतलब काफी हाई जाता है, although not as high as the other top colleges like Hindu, Hansraj and all, but the
Yeah, because I mean honestly many people don't know about CIC ना, बहुत लोग जानते भी नहीं हैं, and फिर दूसरा like I remember BCom के लिए बहुत BCom pol science, BCom also English honors, और बीकॉम प्रोग्राम और एक और सब्जेक्ट है, इन पांच की बहुत ज़्यादा, आई थिंक हिस्ट्री, इन पांचों की बहुत ज़्यादा कट ऑफ जाती है. आई हैड अ गर्ल, शी हैड 703 scores and she got an off campus college, which was, I mean honestly it was a very good college, it was Shivaji college, she got Shivaji college. तो उस रेंज में अगर हम देखें तो CIC थोड़ा सा you'll get आसानी से, I mean if you have 700 के आसपास score, 700 is a very safe score to have CIC.
but again we are aiming to increase the cutoff through this interview, so
Oh yeah,
consider
इस बार
that
का
one. Yeah,
इस बार का बहुत फकअप भी कराना उन्होंने CVT वालों ने, NTA
हाँ.
में, NTA being NTA.
NTA being NTA, just like what happened in NEET exam.
मेरे टाइम पे देखे 2 दिन पहले एडमिट, लाइक मेरा सिटी, लोगों का सिटी इंटीमेशन 15 दिन पहले आ गया था, एंड मेरा 2 दिन पहले आया. आई एम लाइक आज मुझे इंटीमेशन आ रहा है, परसों मेरा एग्जाम है.
In this case, God has been fortunate with me all the time. I never faced any problem with
I
exams.
hate NTA. Okay, so don't underestimate this course. Okay, we have students who went to University College London, UCL, you know, उसका नाम UCL,
UCL, yeah.
University College London. We have students who went there. We have students जो humanities से ही, you can check it on the main website of CIC में humanities section पे जाना, वहाँ पे just check, वहाँ पे scopes आगे करके कोई section है, वहाँ पे उस section में you'll see we have students जो यहाँ से JNU जाते हैं, IIT Delhi, they go to IIT Delhi, they clear GATE exam, GATE psychology they clear, or I mean they go to TIS, they go to very reputed institutions, so don't underestimate this. Yeah, so we have students, you know, who go to very good, very reputed universities like TIS, JNU, IIT, they go to IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi for culture and studies course, and love TIS हो गया, they go to very, come to CIC when you work hard yourself for your resume, because I mean you guys must be knowing we don't really have very like active society, we don't really have music dance society, though we are trying to form, but we right now we don't have as a established society. We have a cultural committee, unofficial, but we don't have as a music dance club जैसे बाकी उसमें होते हैं, बाकी colleges में. So because of that, when you come to CIC ना, you try to stand on yourself, you try to explore things, अब और ज़्यादा हाथ मारते हैं. And let me tell you, I go to Hindu college, I see students there, they are doing nothing, they are just, they are, मतलब पढ़ता तो खैर कोई भी नहीं है, हम भी नहीं पढ़ते हैं, but they are doing nothing, they just feel like they got into society and now you know who अब तो
Like they are more into different programs and events.
no, they
through
are
the
just
societies.
they're just into what college is giving them, they're not trying idhar udhar, which is very important, because once you're out of college you will, you know, you should have this thing under where you are able to explore idhar udhar, where you have connections built on yourself, because college में mostly connections you make नहीं आते हैं, college के बाद तुम चले जाओगे सब भूल जाएंगे तुम्हें, कोई नहीं इतना, you know, networking कितना भी strong हो but इतना strong नहीं रहता है. CIC makes you stand on yourself, CIC makes you learn कि, you know, nobody is going to spoon feed you. So when students come out CIC से, when they leave CIC, they leave with exposure, learnings, बहुत सारी learnings and this confidence that they can stand on themselves. And that's why we have students who go to IIT, JNU. See, बच्चे are doing so many good things. They are DSC जाके they do economics आगे हो गए सेकंड सेमेस्टर से अपने आप को तैयार करने की कोशिश करना है मतलब आई स्टिल सी मेरे आसपास के बच्चे दे आर लाइक joining IITs and CIC is not as happening as other colleges, but by the end of 3 years or 4 years, the degree that you have and the learning that you have, that is going to matter आगे life में. That CIC provides बहुत अच्छे से.
As a short question, like if you are going to Hindu college for 1 year, are you
मतलब
1 semester or 1 year, whatever, are you allowed to participate in their societies?
yeah, I'm in their WDC, Women Development Cell. I'm into ARIA, their Western Music Society. I'm into their Queer Collective as well. When I took medical, I was very sure well, like, I mean, I'm never going to do like medical doctor thing, but I want to go for marine sciences actually. I had very like good interest in marine sciences, either like space science, like
Either
astronomy.
either up above in the sky or
या और
in the
डीप डाउन इन द
ocean.
ओशन
Yeah.
सो आई हैड बहुत अच्छा इंटरेस्ट इन मरीन साइंस बट फिर मुझे कुछ लोगों ने भड़का दिया उन्होंने बोला कि यू डोंट मतलब पीएचडी बहुत अच्छा नहीं है इंडिया में एंड रिसर्च का स्कोप मरीन साइंसेस के लिए इट्स नॉट वेरी गुड इन इंडिया सो मतलब I just didn't feel like doing it आगे और फिर 12th के बाद तो सडनली मेरे को ह्यूमैनिटीज बहुत इंटरेस्ट करने लग गया लाइक psychology was like oh my god I really want to study it तो फिर मैंने I went for also I went like medical के बाद I chose this course. Okay, so many students come here by chance. Okay, many students. This is kind of a beauty of CIC. Like students come here by chance, so बहुत diversity होता है, because people don't know about this course. So when they land by chance, there is a lot of diversity मतलब हमारे course में, and इसीलिए like you have multiple diverse students का diverse experiences. तो मेरे केस में it was my choice. मैंने first time पे मेरे को CIC मिला, I froze this because I wanted CIC, I wanted humanities वाला course.
So that was the interview. Now I had to trim a lot of parts of this interview because the Delhi heat, it caused the recording mobile phone to heat up, and there were a lot of issues in terms of the sync between the video and the audio, then the frame rates which were captured by the device, a lot of problems. Still, I try to preserve as much information as possible in the form of this interview. If you have any queries, you can connect with us on LinkedIn and you can message us there. I have put down the link in the description below. And also, you can comment anytime and we will try to solve your doubts, anything which you have. So, that's for the special BA course offered by Cluster Innovation Center. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.